Good morning, student. Myself is P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the math second. In math second, geometric construction. Now, today we are going to construct a construction of a similar triangle. Example: triangle XYZ, similar triangle DEF. In triangle XYZ, XY equal to 5.1 centimeter, YZ equal to 3.9 centimeter, XZ equal to 6 centimeter, and ratio of the sides XY is to DE equal to 3 is to 2. Construct triangle XYZ and triangle DEF. Now in answer, triangle XYZ similar triangle DEF which is given in question, so their corresponding sides are in proportion. So write down the ratio of the sides, corresponding sides: XY divided by DE equal to YZ divided by EF equal to XZ divided by DF equal to 3 by 2. These are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now put the values of XY 5.1, YZ 3.9, XZ 6 centimeter which is given in the question. Now take first ratio and last 3 by 2 ratio. Now 5.1 into 2 divided by 3, DE equal to 5.1 into 2 divided by 3. Then we get here 5.1 into 2 is 10.2 divided by 3, we get 3.4 centimeter. DE equal to 3.4 centimeter. Then we take second ratio and the last ratio 3.9 divided by EF equal to 3 by 2. EF equal to 3.9 into 2 divided by 3, we get here 7.8 divided by 3. Then division of this, we get 2.6 centimeter. EF equal to 2.6 centimeter. Then take the third ratio and last ratio 6 divided by DF equal to 3 by 2, and DF equal to 6 into 2 divided by 3, that is the 12 divided by 3, we get 4 centimeter. Now construct the triangle. First we construct triangle XYZ. Take one side, that is XY 5.1 centimeter using the scale. In this way we draw the XY 5.1 centimeter. Then take a compass and take a distance of the side XZ, that is the 6 centimeter. Put the one terminal on the point X and draw the arc. In this way we draw the arc 6 centimeter. Draw the arc. Then again take a distance between two terminal is 3.9, that is the ZY side 3.9. in this way 3.9. Put the terminal on Y point and draw the arc. The previous arc and this arc intersect at one point, that point is Z. Now connect this Z with Y. We get the second side of the triangle. Then Z with X. We get the third side of the triangle. Then draw the triangle DEF. Now first take DE equal to 3.4 centimeter using the scale. 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Then take a compass and take a distance between two terminal of the compass. DF equal to 4 centimeter and draw the arc. Put the one terminal at point D and draw the arc in this way. Then take a distance 2.6 centimeter, 2.6 centimeter, and draw the second arc from point E. In this way, these two arcs intersect at point. That point is F. Join this F with E. We get second side of the triangle. Then join the F with D. Third side of the triangle DEF. In this way we construct the triangle. Then we see the second example, triangle RST, similar triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, length of RS equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle RST equal to 40 degree, ST equal to 5.7 centimeter. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that the ratio of the side RS divided by XY equal to 3/5. Now the triangles are given a similar triangle. In solution, triangle RST similar triangle XYZ. So we can write down angle RST congruent angle XYZ. These two angles are the corresponding angle of a similar triangle. Then measure of these two angle equal to same. Angle RST equal to angle XYZ, that is the 40 degree. Then write down the ratio of the sides. RS divided by XY equal to ST divided by YZ equal to 3 divided by 5. These sides are corresponding sides of similar triangle, so the ratio are same. Then take first and last ratio. Put the value of RS equal to 4.5 centimeter divided by XY equal to 3/5. Then XY equal to 4.5 into 5 divided by 3. We get here XY equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then take second ratio ST divided by YZ. Put the value of ST 5.7 centimeter divided by YZ equal to 3/5. Then YZ equal to 7.5 into 5.7 into 5 divided by 3. Then YZ equal to 9.5 centimeter. In this way we find out the length of XY and YZ. Now construction. Firstly draw the triangle RST. For that draw the side of the RST, that is the side ST, using the scale 5.7 centimeter. In this way we draw the ST. Then put the protractor at point S and match the ST side with 0 line and take angle 40 degree. Then draw the ray which passes through the point S, which started from the point S. This ray make an angle 40 degree at point S. Then take a compass and take a distance of RS. Length of RS 4.5 centimeter. Take a 4.5 centimeter distance between two terminals of the compass, 4.5. Then draw the arc from point S on this ray. In this way this arc intersect ray at point R. Then join this R with T. We get the third side of the triangle RST. Then For drawing the triangle XYZ, firstly take a side YZ, that is the 9.5 centimeter, using the scale 9.5 centimeter. In this way we draw the 9.5 centimeter. Then put the protractor at point Y, match the 0 line and take a measurement of this angle is 40 degree. Then draw the ray. We just started from the point Y. This ray make an angle 40 degree with point Y. Then take a distance XY, that is the 7.5 centimeter. Now distance between two terminals of the compass is 7.5, and draw the arc on this ray from point Y. Put the one terminal at point Y and draw the arc. This arc intersect the ray at point X. Now join this X with Z. We get the third side of the triangle. In this way we complete the construction of the triangle, similar triangle. Good day, goodbye, okay.